Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. One of the things about the hopes and dreams this year is I hope to read more children's books. So of course, our library is filled with a bunch of different library books, but one of the main favorite books to read in this school, in this classroom, are Pete the Cat, and of course, Elephant and Piggy. So Elephant and Piggy are really great books. They typically range like $10 a book, and Pete the Cats are kind of roughly about the same price. So Pete the Cat, Rocking in My School Shoes, is one of the best books to read. The reason why I say that is because a lot of the kids love Pete the Cat, Rocking in My School Shoes. There's so many things that you can make into an activity with this. So today's activity, you read the book, of course, and it's cool to read it within the first like 2 weeks of school. Pete the Cat, Rocking in My School Shoes is just a really great book to read. So the activity that you guys can create with this is to kind of put it like this, like it is here, and then you give them just one word, like an adjective that is describing something, right? So I chose to do reading. So you guys can come up with a lot of different words, or I should say verbs, that are going to end in ing, such as reading, running, walking, jumping, playing, hopping, painting for art, and a lot of other things. So really great activity to do once you guys do read Pete the Cat, Rocking in My School Shoes.